We're heading towards Texas and decided to stop in Tulsa, Oklahoma for a little bit. We actually were really surprised on some of the gems we found there. First night we stopped at the Circle Cinema, which is a non-profit theater and it screens independent and art films. It's in a really cool 1928 cinema. It even has an art gallery as part of it. We liked it so much that we actually came back another day for a different movie.
I don't want you to feel uncomfortable. Go do humor me and go sit there. You're taking a movie, you mean? Mm-hmm. Yeah, see, this is so far away. I see too much of the theater. It's like a tunnel. All right. Go check, honey.
No, I think you should try at least 4 more.
Nope. I'll tell you what, you can stay here. I'm sitting here.
Excellent. Another gem we found was the farmer's market. Again, we liked it so much we ended up back there 2 times. But the coolest thing was what we came upon on our bike ride along the Arkansas River. So now we're on the west side of the Arkansas River. You can see it's a lot more nature going on. It's supposed to be a beautiful amphitheater somewhere over here. We just came down a steep hill, so I'm guessing it's at the top of the hill somewhere. We're on the west side right now, and we're right next to their sewage treatment plant. And as you can see back here, got flames coming out of there. My guess is the flames going off here is kind of like lighting a match in the bathroom. But it's not working. Ew. So we decided to stop and have some lunch, and we wanted a nice cozy spot. That's what Mark was planning on. So we found this area that has some nice tables, nice view of the river, and here's where the cozy is, I guess, for Mark.
Service Company of Oklahoma.
Doesn't get much more cozy than this.
That's what I thought.
This path is laid out so well. It has 2 bike lanes on one side and then a separate lane for pedestrians. Perfect. So we're on the bike trail and pedestrian area, but they've got a lot of these areas. So I just switched to Mark's iPhone. We'll see how much better it is. So we're on the bike trail, but as we're going along, there's so many different things going on. Got this area with kids doing bike tricks and skateboards.
Wow. This is a city that doesn't criticize people for doing this. They put a real honest to goodness park in and say, knock yourself out, and if you kill yourself, it ain't our fault. And they got good enough attorneys that they can back it up, and then they build something fantastic like this.
So you've got one on this side also.
Well, there's 4 of them. We passed 3 of them already.
Yeah, if you look beyond, we passed the really big one. These are just small ones.
Right.
Amazing.
Well, they're made for different things. This is made for bicycles and gliders. And then there was one over there that was more for skates. And this is a bike one, you know, the 20-inch bikes, because it's got the rails and the skids, and it's got stairways. And
pretty cool.
And it looks like they have a competition today, because there's a guy over there with a bunch of envelopes. Imagine the surprise of this whole group of testosterone-filled young lads when they discover that the proprietor the guy that's running this particular event has approached me because he recognized me as a world-class BMX rider. But even though he knows I'm on my machine here with the 90-inch wheelbase, I told him I could do plenty of tricks. So right before they start, I'm going to tell these young lads that their goal should be to end up as good as me when they're as old as me.
Wow, he's going in, the master. Talk loud.
BMX stuff tired me a lot more than I thought. I'm not as fit as I used to be, but a lot of the kids, they got off their bikes, they threw them in the field, and they left. So that wasn't my intent to discourage them, but
You showed them up,
yeah.
Mark.
They've got work to do yet, you know.
Just when you saw a lot on the trail, there's more. It never ends. They've got basketball, they've got volleyball. This goes on forever. Really nice bike trail and pedestrian trail. I feel like we're back in Amsterdam again. Nice. So much more going on here. We've got this play area for the kids that is fantastic. Got a waterfall, shelter for picnicking, and they have some awesome restrooms all along the path. Boy, they knew how to plan this well. So all along the bike path, there's these great areas that have places to sit right by the Arkansas River. And we're kind of further down, so not too many people here. There's our bike path, walking path. Well, of course, it's a good place for vagrants to hang out too, I guess. So along the parkway, there's a lot of sculpture that has to deal with nature of the area. This one's a lot bigger than most of them with this beautiful waterfall. Just when we're heading out to the area that we thought there wasn't much going on anymore, it's this big volleyball area. Thank you, Vanna. And as you can see, there's not much, just nature ahead.
Yeah, a couple of logs in the water and some tires.
Logs and tires, and birds.
You know,
a lot of birds.
Floods or here, and then you can see the way the culverts are on this side. That's why this is as wide and as fixed up, is that it permanently has to be here for flood control.
And this is what our bike rides are like with Mark. He analyzes everything, and I analyze the nature part. We're almost done. We're actually parked at the top of that hill, and it is a hill. Come on, Mark, you can do it.
I can't do this hill.
Do it.
I don't have legs like Roy or Chuck or even Andy or Kathy. I can't get up here, or Lane.
Come on, crybaby. You gonna walk? He's no crybaby. He's just smart. Like being in San Francisco.
Yeah, we had electric bikes then.